Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to solve one more problem on the bending stress. So bending stress మీద నేను ఇక్కడ ఇంకొక ప్రాబ్లం కూడా సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నాను. So here it is, calculate the maximum stress induced in a cast iron pipe of external diameter 40 mm and of internal diameter 20 mm and of length 4 meters when the pipe is supported at its two ends, carries a point load of 80 newtons at its center. Then he is asking us to calculate the maximum stress. అయితే ఆ టైంలో మనల్ని maximum stress అనే దాన్ని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. సో ఫస్ట్ రైట్ ది గివెన్ డేటా. సో given data is external diameter. External diameter is represented by TO, that equals to 40 mm, and internal diameter is represented by DI, that equals to 20 mm. So length is equals to 4 meters and convert into mm's 4000 mm. So here what is the type given? In outer, external and internal diameter means it is a hollow beam, hollow circular beam, right? So here if you take you will get like this. So now this is the circular beam, hollow type, and he is saying that the pipe is supported at its ends. Pipe is supported at its ends. At both the ends the pipe is supported and carries a point load 80 newtons at its center. Center lo manaki 80 newtons of load అనేది యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. So if you draw a 2D diagram, then it will be like this. Okay, so this is external diameter and this one is internal diameter, and this is the length of the beam, and it carries a point load at the center, that is 80 newtons. Okay, so he is asking us to calculate the maximum stress sigma max. Okay, so first, what is the bending equation? So if you apply a point load, then definitely the beam will undergone to bending. ఇక్కడ లోడ్ అప్లై చేస్తే బీమ్ ఏమవుతుంది, మనకి బెండ్ అవుతుంది. సో దట్స్ వై వీ నీడ్ టు యూస్ ది బెండింగ్ ఈక్వేషన్. కంపల్సరీ మనం బెండింగ్ ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది యూస్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ బెండింగ్ ఈక్వేషన్? m by I is equals to sigma by y is equals to E by R. So here I already told, for a circular section the value of sigma is maximum at the outmost layer, that means at the outer diameter. So outer diameter is d0 by 2, the value of sigma will be maximum. Okay, so now first of all, if we want to find sigma value, I don't know E value is not given, R value is not given, so we can't depend on this relation. So now what is the relation? I need mi. So here a point load is given, మనకి ఇక్కడ point load ఇచ్చాడు. Then what is the bending moment? So load into distance. So here at center only we will get maximum bending moment. So that maximum bending moment will be, if you take support reactions, the support reactions will be, here it is 40 newtons, here also it is 40 newtons. So then the bending moment at this portion, at the center portion will be, so bending moment here is 0, bending moment here also 0, and bending moment here at this place is 40 into half is 2 meters. So 40 into 2, that is 80 Newton meter. So that equals to 80 Newton meter. But if you convert into mm's, so 80 Newton 1 meter equals to 1000, that means into 10 cube, mm. So that is 8 into 10 power 4 Newton mm is the maximum bending moment, right? So m value we got. Then I require I value. Moment of inertia is equals to pi by 64 into d naught power 4 minus di power 4. That equals to pi by 64 into what is d naught value? 40 power 4 minus di value 20 power 4. Then you will get moment of inertia. So that moment of inertia I is equals to 117809.7 mm power 4. Okay, so now substitute in the relation. So ఇప్పుడు relation లో substitute చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? m by I is equals to sigma max by y. So m value I is equals to sigma max by y value is d naught by 2. So now substitute all values. M value 8 into 10 power 4 divided by I value 117809.7 equals to sigma max by d naught value is 40 by 2. Then the maximum stress induced sigma max is equals to, you will get that value as 13.58 Newton per mm square, right? So like this we need to solve the problems, right? So I hope you understand this problem. If you understand, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.